One of the things that we also hear on AI agents too is sort of process reimagination. Like I'm going to have to take these processes and look at them differently. Some things we think about is sort of like the everyday automation you see with AI agents, but then also this need to reimagine, which is an interesting and fun word for a bunch of consultants to say, but then the implementation of that is also far more complex than a PowerPoint slide. So I would love to hear how you guys have sort of thought through that, because it seems like some of the real benefits come from being able to actually deploy these across new processes.
Absolutely. So most of what we have experienced so far is the version 1.0, which is individual productivity.
Yeah.
You've given examples of your Mid-Journey graphic designer. There's many such examples, and the power users do extremely well.
Yep. Yeah.
The version 2.0 of this is reimagining the workflows with agents. And that's a lot harder because the company, imagine making a car. They have a process how to make a car. They make millions of cars every year. They cannot now deviate on the fly, make a whole bunch of changes. But if you imagine the steps in that process and inject GenAI, not just in one node in the journey, but across the journey, then miracles can really start happening. You can actually reflect on that vehicle before you have spent $1 billion building tooling and getting the market feedback. And that can be truly powerful.
Yeah.